Are those jalebis and sharbat safe? That there is a dark side to all this. Food coloring is become very very popular in India, because now there are so many foods like jalebi or ruah afza, or even chicken tandoori. There's so many things, you notice they put color and it looks very good and very tempting, and then our mouth melts to have it. All these things are very very bad, extremely bad for health. US has banned 8 artificial food dyes due to their harmful effects, and Europe has curbs in place too. How safe is it? In India, also we have, they put all these colors which is not good at all for health. It's come in the Times of India, this information what I'm giving you, that that it food color called sunset yellow, FCF, a petroleum based azo dye, a class of synthetic dyes with nitrogen in their molecular structure that make up more than half of the commercial use dyes globally. It is also one of the 8 dyes the US decided to ban last week. And FDA Commissioner Dr. Matia Makari noted that American kids fed on candy, cereals, and beverages that contain such dyes have been increasingly living in a toxic soup of environment. Dyes like Red 3 and Red 40 and Yellow 5 need to be banned immediately. It's difficult to agree with industry claims that dyes are safe within acceptable limits. Just like US government regulators here need to phase out these dyes, and urgently warn people about it. Dr. Arvind Agarwal, he also, in India too, they say the food color market is exploded. Last year, Karnataka banned using artificial dyes after it found rhodamine B used for garments in Gobi, Manchurian, and cotton candy. Tamil Nadu followed a suit after lab tests found the same toxic textile dye in cotton candy and food items. Increased consumption of processed and packaged foods over recent decades has expanded the food coloring market globally and in India. These additives are there in most packaged foods and frequently used by street vendors, restaurants, and small food establishments to enhance the visual appeal of food. Dr. Monita Ghaulot from the Gastroenterological and Human Nutrition Unit of All India Institute of Medical Science, New Delhi, says color remains one of the most visual cues for the sensory aspect of food, says Dr. Galat, adding that apart from visual appeal, it indicates that food coloring greatly influences the flavor expectations of our brain before we taste food. Besides, synthetic colors can be manufactured in large quantities at a lower cost and compared to natural alternatives. So these cheap additives have no nutrition value and can cause long-term health risks that we are only now beginning to fathom. Dr. Parmeet Kaur, head of dietetics department of AIMS, Red 40, Yellow 5 and Yellow 6 trigger allergic responses and potentially harm cancer curing impurities. Research also indicates possible toxic implications from Blue 1 and Blue 2, she adds. Dr. Suranjit Chatterjee, Senior Consultant, Internal Medicine, Indrapasti Apollo Hospital, says Red 40 and Yellow 5 and Yellow 6 are dyes that carry highest risk, especially if consumed excessively. Children, pregnant women, and those with allergies or asthma are particularly vulnerable to these risks. The risk level increases the chronic exposure as seen in population. Have whole foods instead. The Food Safety and Standard Authority of India, FSSAI, does regulate that the use of food dyes, specified permissive colors, and maximum allowed concentration. So we have to be careful, with all these things, because Dr. Amit Miglani, the director and head of gastronomy of Asian Hospital, notes that FDA and European Food Safety and Authority guidelines, notwithstanding the combined impact of multiple synthetic dyes containing products, poses clear health risks and frequent consumption, especially among kids. Some dyes need to be banned immediately, as I discussed. So we have to be very very aware. Yes, this happens. You notice when when something is made in the house, and it's like if our mothers are made, or anyone, or mothers are made for their children, or wife for their husband, you notice that the smell only, it gives such a high on our brain, and we really want to eat the food even before it's ready. So these are all tempting things that, that we get flavor of the mouth, it's tasty. So these people, they do it so that, they want their food to sell, but then not realizing that it will have an effect on our health and nutrition. Because imagine, we are doing so much, if we are doing everything, we are doing exercise, we are working on our inner work, we are doing physical exercise, but the most important is what goes in our mouth, which is very, very important. So we have to, so if imagine, if we are doing all this and we are not eating well, with all this toxicity in the body, so it's obviously it's going to affect our body, and it will affect our organs of our body, because this is so bad for health. As you said, it can even cause cancer, so we have to be very, very careful with what we are eating outside, and be very aware of the coloring of the food. So thank you so much. Hi everyone, this is Natasha Advani, an internationally certified life coach, trainer, and a wellness coach, a dance exploration expert, and an art therapy expert. So please forward this video and make people aware that, be aware of what you are eating in restaurants, or when you're going out, or even processed food. Please see the ingredients before, and please like this video and go to my YouTube channel. And for more details on self-development and health, you can check out my website on www.natashaadvani.com. Thank you.